Most people walk onto a used car lot, head straight for the Toyota RAV4 or the Honda CR-V, pay a premium, and drive home thinking they got a great deal. And maybe they did. But what if I told you there are SUVs sitting on those exact same lots, sometimes right next to those popular models, that offer comparable reliability, cost thousands less, and barely anyone is picking them up? Not because they're bad vehicles, because people simply haven't been paying attention. Today we're going through 3 of those overlooked options that deserve way more credit than they're getting. These are practical, affordable, and built to last. If you're in the market for a used SUV and you want your money to actually work for you, stick around because this one is going to save you some serious cash. Let's start with number 1, the Toyota Venza, specifically the first generation from 2009 to 2015. Now, if you just said, wait, that's a thing, then you already understand exactly why this vehicle belongs on this list. The Venza never really found its footing in the market. Toyota positioned it somewhere between a wagon and a crossover. The marketing never quite landed, and buyers drifted toward the RAV4 and Highlander instead. The Venza quietly got discontinued in 2015, and most people forgot it existed entirely. Here's why that's actually great news for you as a buyer. The Venza was built on solid Toyota architecture, sharing platform DNA with the Camry and mechanical underpinnings with the Lexus RX. That means you're getting Toyota and Lexus level engineering in something most people scroll right past on a listing site. It came with 2 engine choices, a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or a 3.5-liter V6, and both are known for exceptional durability. The V6 in particular is a legendary power plant used across Toyota and Lexus vehicles for years. With regular maintenance, these engines routinely hit extremely high mileage without major issues. The Venza also offers all-wheel drive, a comfortable interior, and a surprisingly spacious cabin. You're essentially getting Lexus RX reliability for a fraction of the price, wrapped in something that people keep overlooking because the name just doesn't carry that brand prestige. Who is this for? Families, commuters, or anyone who wants dependable daily transportation with room for passengers and cargo, all without overspending. If you find a V6 Venza with all-wheel drive and reasonable miles, that is genuinely one of the smartest moves you can make in the used SUV market right now. Moving on to number 2, the Mazda CX-5, covering model years from 2013 through 2022. Now, some of you might push back and say this one isn't overlooked at all, and you're partially right. The CX-5 does have its fans. But here's the problem. The average car buyer still defaults to Honda or Toyota when they think about reliability, and Mazda consistently gets left out of that conversation, even though it absolutely deserves a seat at the table. That brand bias costs buyers money, because CX-5s are priced lower than comparable CR-Vs and RAV4s, despite offering genuinely comparable, and in some areas better, long-term value. The CX-5 is powered by Mazda's 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. What makes this setup stand out is the dual injection system, combining both port and direct injection. Why does that matter? Because direct injection alone, which is what many modern engines use, tends to cause carbon buildup on intake valves over time. The dual injection approach on the CX-5 significantly reduces that problem, which is a meaningful advantage for long-term engine health. Reliability data consistently shows CX-5 owners reaching 200,000 miles and beyond with nothing more than routine maintenance. Oil changes, fluid services, standard upkeep. The interior quality also punches well above what you'd expect at this price point. The materials feel more premium. The driving experience is genuinely engaging compared to most crossovers in this category, and the build quality is tight and well thought out. Whether you go first generation from 2013 to 2016 or second generation from 2017 to 2022, you're getting one of the most dependable compact SUVs ever produced. Who is this best for? Anyone who wants a well-rounded, confidence-inspiring daily driver that delivers reliability without demanding a premium price tag. This is a deeply underrated option that deserves far more attention than it typically gets. Now for number 3, And this one might actually surprise you, the Mitsubishi Outlander GT, specifically the late second generation and third generation models from around 2013 to 2021. Mitsubishi doesn't exactly inspire confidence in most buyers these days. The brand has had a rough go of it in terms of reputation, and that hesitation is completely understandable. But here's the thing about perception gaps in the used car market. They create opportunity. Because buyers are skipping past Mitsubishi on name recognition alone, these vehicles are priced well below what they're actually worth as reliable transportation. There is one critical piece of advice here though. You need to be selective with the Outlander. Stick with the V6 models paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission, and avoid the 2.4-liter 4-cylinder entirely. That 4-cylinder engine has well-documented oil consumption issues that you do not want to deal with. The 3.0-liter V6 with the 6-speed, that's a completely different story. That combination is smooth, proven, and reliable. Mitsubishi also famously backed these vehicles with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty when they were new, which tells you something about how confident they were in the hardware. The third-generation models from 2016 onward are even more refined, with improved build quality while carrying that same dependable V6 engine. You can often find these for significantly less than a comparable Honda or Toyota, and day-to-day ownership costs remain very reasonable. Who is this for? Budget-conscious buyers who need genuine all-wheel drive capability, possibly with 3-row seating, and want dependable transportation without stretching their finances thin. If you can look past the badge and focus purely on what the vehicle delivers, the Outlander GT is far better than most people give it credit for. So here's the bigger picture. Smart buyers don't follow the crowd. They look for value where other people aren't looking. The Toyota Venza, the Mazda CX-5, and the Mitsubishi Outlander GT all represent real opportunities in the used market right now because they're underappreciated, accessible, and built to go the distance. While everyone else is fighting over RAV4s and CR-Vs at inflated prices, these vehicles are sitting there waiting for buyers who actually do their homework. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe because we cover this kind of practical, money-saving content regularly. And if you want to know which SUVs you should be actively running away from on used car lots, that video is coming up next. You don't want to miss it.